So are you a chemist?
I'm actually a product developer.
Okay.
So basically your chemist would sit over here, your marketing team is over here, and I'm like a translator of what marketing wants, and I take that information, I disseminate it from the marketing team to the chemist. So the marketer will be like, oh hey, I want a 36-hour wear mascara, and the chemist will be like, it's going to be bone dry and it's going to destroy people's lashes. And as a product developer, I'm going to go back to marketing, I'm going to be like, marketing, listen, we can't get 36-hour wears, but we can put peptides in and get you maybe a 24-hour wear for your mascara, but also have it be nourishing at the same time. So it's kind of like a United Nations translator, but for ingredients, texture, formula, performance, wear, all of that.
Oh, that's nice.
So like, what does product development do exactly?
They drive the projects. It's a combination of like a little bit of artistry in terms of thinking also about shade development. So like I would sit down with the team of the global makeup artists at big makeup companies and we would be like, okay, are we going to do 36 shades, 50 shades, 60 shades? What makes sense? Can we cover the spectrum of skin tones with this base? Because maybe it's a little more sheer and we can get it across 4 skin tones. So we can do 30 instead of 60. Color, texture, formula.
Oh,
That's really cool.
Packaging, you need to, for example, know, like we were just looking at the new Makeup Forever twist with the 3 little vessels. Like, you can't develop that style of a formula without a very specific brush being able to fit in there, right? So you can't develop in a silo. Or mascara, lip. Like the new Huda lip blush has a very specific flock. So when it comes through, there's a wiper. So literally when it comes through, it like takes all the product off. That's why there's a reservoir in the middle. As a product developer, you need to be like, oh, hey, I need this style applicator because when it comes out of the wiper, it's going to give me enough product to lay down.
Marriage.
Yeah. It's very technical, but it's very artistic. Whereas the chemist goes straight, pure. Is this going to be stable? Can this withstand 80-degree heat? What's going to happen if this is sitting out without a cap on for a year? Like, they need to make sure that this stick can have the structure and the hold, and when they go to lay it down on skin, that there's the right melting points.
Yeah. They actually had to remake these because they were falling out.
There you go. That would be a packaging / product developer.
Yeah.
So let's say they were drying out, right? If they dry out, then the stick's going to pop out. That's something that the evaluator should have been thinking about. But you're not going to hold your stick out on your unit without a cap.